you've already created your own application and tables in Tabidoo, you are on the right track. Now comes the next important step: filling those tables with data and learning how to work with them efficiently. I'm Michaela, and together we will take a look at how to do it. You probably already know that each table is made up of individual records, whether it's new contacts, orders, or invoices. You can easily add them using the blue plus button. This will then open a form where you can fill in your data in each field. You can edit your data at will by clicking on the pencil icon or double-clicking on the record. If you want to save time, you can make edits directly in the table. You can activate this mode in the table settings and then click on the edit button in your table. It can happen that you make the same mistake in more than one record. What to do? Fortunately, this is also easy to fix. Just open the multi-edit option and enter the correct value. Tabidoo does the rest. If you want to delete a record, you can use the trash button in the table menu. If you need to delete multiple records at once, you can use shortcuts like Ctrl-A or Shift. To sort data alphabetically or by value, simply click on the columns in the table by which you want to sort the data. If you want to sort by multiple columns at once, hold down the Ctrl key. You can also use the options that appear when you click on three dots next to field name. You can group data by field, freeze a column, or hide an entire column. Filtering data is very easy in Tabidoo. You can use full text search for simple searches. For more complex filtering, you can use advanced filter. It allows you to perform filtering for each column separately. By clicking on the magnifying glass icon next to the column name, you can set filtering conditions that can be specific to individual data fields. Would you like to save your current view of data, including column and filter settings? For that, we have a Save View Settings feature in Tabidoo. This feature allows you to share settings with other users, save them as a default view of the data, or display them in your own table. You can visualize your data using, for example, cards or a calendar. Cards provide a clear visualization that allows you to quickly change the status of tasks or orders. A calendar gives you an overview of all important dates and deadlines in one place. Would you like to share your data outside the Tabidoo platform? You can export your data as an Excel file or publish it as a read-only dashboard and share it using a hyperlink at any time. So I hope this video has helped you to better understand the efficient data management in Tabidoo. And if anything, I'm sure you already have our contact information, so don't hesitate to reach out to us.